5 AI search alternatives to try before SearchGPT arrives. OpenAI SearchGPT has already been creating a lot of buzz in the tech market. Until it arrives, several AI search alternatives have emerged to fill in the gap for the users. These innovative tools offer multiple unique features and capabilities that make them worth exploring. Here are the 5 AI search alternatives that you must give a try while waiting for SearchGPT. Perplexity, an AI tool introduced in 2022 that has been one of the first chatbots to associate with web searching abilities. This AI tool combines elements of Google and ChatGPT to deliver answers to the user's queries while providing links to sources for further exploration. Perplexity's AI-powered search capabilities make it a great alternative to traditional search engines. Just be interacting with prompts. Gemini recently updated with new policy guidelines, is one of the most reliable choices for those who trust Google's expertise. This AI search tool leverages Google's search extension to provide more accurate results than other chatbots and allows users to double-check answers against Google search results with a single click. Microsoft's Copilot, formerly known as Bing Chat, Microsoft's Copilot was introduced in 2023 and has been a conversational AI search tool that enables the users to search the web like they're having a casual conversation with a friend. However, Copilot can answer multi-part questions at once and is designed to provide accurate results. ChatGPT. While waiting for SearchGPT, ChatGPT can be used as an AI assistant. Although its training data is currently up to date to October 2023, ChatGPT can use its browsing tool to fetch and verify more recent information. This makes it a viable alternative for those seeking answers. U.com. U.com, launched in 2022, is a lesser-known yet effective AI search alternative. This search engine offers the users a better privacy and summarizes the web, making it a great choice for those seeking a more private search experience. With its ability to handle most internet searches, U.com is a hidden gem worth exploring.